Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, March 10th. Verifying it is Tuesday, March 10th. Welcome to the shit show. It has been a shit show. Everything. eBay, mostly. Let me see. Yesterday, $63.20. I'm off to a whopping $2 since midnight. So maybe if you list, you don't sell. I don't know. I have no explanation. Maybe I'm on the wrong server. I did a 6,000 end and relist this morning. I don't do end and sell similar. I think there's just too many problems. People losing order or losing items and stuff like that. But this morning it was a shit show. I can't say that enough. So the ending 6,000 took me, I don't know, maybe 20, 25 minutes. And it was slow, as always. And when I would end 200, I'd have to keep refreshing to see if, actually 200 were ended. And after a minute or two, it would only get to 199 ended. So out of if I did 6,000 endings of 200 each, that was 30 times I did that. And I'd say a good 25 to 27 of those times, it would only do 196, 199, and only 3 times the full 200 ended. So I already knew it was going to be a bad morning. And then it took me an hour and 20 minutes to finally get the listings, the 6,000 relisted. That's usually quicker than the ending part. And the same thing that I would, if I had, say, 6,000 ended and I relisted 200, I'd get an error that 100 of them are duplicate listings and you can't upload them, which should knock that down to 5,900 listings. When I would go and after several minutes of refreshing, it would only go down 75 listings. So it was just weird. The active listings number here would immediately go to the 200 I uplist or the 100 successfully uploaded, but the ended wouldn't reduce by the same amount. So that was a half hour, 45 minutes ago. I was done getting them relisted. So I don't know. We'll check here. So half hour, 45 minutes ago is 511 duplicate. I ended up with duplicate listings. eBay said I have 511 of them. So I don't know how many I have now. Let's take a look. 510. So I will let this, so it's dropped by 1. I'll let this percolate, sit for maybe another half a day or so and see, because I would think eBay would recognize that these have already been relisted, and I have it filtered down to you only show the items that have been ended and not relisted. So I don't know what's going on. I will probably go through and spot check and see if these are all. I'm not all. I don't have time to do 510 listings. I think the number I started with and ended with is the same. I think. Truthfully, I forgot to write it down. Sit and spin, AI. My God. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. I think I started with 46,426. I wrote down 46,626, but I think I missed that first 200 endings. So this number is probably accurate. But anyway, well, at least let's get an offer. I saw this offer come in, and I want to make sure I actually have it. So I gotta pull it. I haven't pulled my airplane cards. I don't think I have much going out. 6 orders maybe. And as I look for this card to make this a half-hour video, end and relist was never this difficult. Ever. It was always time-consuming, and there would always be system errors and other little things. Would sit and spin sometimes. But over the past probably year since I've gone to this AI running everything horse shit, it's almost to the point where the aggravation and time and the possible duplicate listings or listings not even getting resubmitted. I don't know if it's worth it anymore. It's really become a pain in the ass. And I know eBay, how I know it, I don't know. I probably heard it through some other expert YouTube person who knows everything about eBay, but I don't know if they want you doing end and relist or end and sell similar. So maybe this is part of them making it more difficult. They're bogging down the process. I don't know. Like I said, I'm never smart enough to figure that out. But it makes sense. I always do it. Like this morning, I was up at 5:40 or something, and I was ending and relisting by 6:20, and that's 3 o'clock on the West Coast. I don't know how many people are on eBay bogging down the system at 6 in the morning. And that's usually when I do it is bright and early in the morning. I never really have problems, but yeah, this time maybe it's just system errors. I don't know. Maybe it was just some glitch, but it really wasn't good this morning. So let's see. I pulled this card. I haven't even looked at the offer. Hopefully it's a decent offer. $12, repeat buyer. Okay, fine. What did he? Oh, he wanted 2 for 20. Now he only... Oh, wait, what's he want? 2? I don't know how many he wants. Huh. I'm going to accept the offer. It'd be nice if it was... Oh, he wanted 3. Well, hell yeah. I'll take that offer. Absolutely. Now I got to find him again. So anyway, did anybody do a recent end and sell similar, end and relist? I don't like sell similar at all. Let me know how it went. 1, 2, 3. Yay! I'm off to what, $38 now. Oh boy. I don't know if they're internet. No. Okay. Cool. Cool. Well, that helps out the day. What the hell was that noise? Still recording. We got... Oh, the TV just turned on. The remote's over here. I didn't say Alexa turn the TV on, did I? Oh, shit. Now I did. Alexa, turn TV off. What the hell? I know there's a ghost around here somewhere. Anyhow, 8 minutes. Talking bullshit. Deep breaths. Come on. It's got to be eBay, right? Well, good thing is I have all these. I will blast out offers. While I'm on the subject of shit show, I got 2 returns for Non-Machinable yesterday. I've sold between the 2 stores, the airplane cards when I had it, and then main store, I've shipped out probably 80 to 90,000 of these things, and I usually about 5 or 6,000 a year. I get maybe 1 or 2 non-machinable ones returned a year, never 2 in one day. So I don't know if they got kind of jammed up in the sorting machines, but yeah, they always come back that I owe them 49 cents, and my post office is terrific. They don't ask for the 49 cents, probably because they know it's horse crap that these are machinable. So I do have a members video about what to do when you get non-machinable, and when you get those little yellow stickers, return to sender. It's another reason to join the membership. So I will not pay for another shipping label, and this is This one's almost a month ago, and this one's like 3 weeks ago. I've already contacted the buyers and sent them a picture and told them that they would be back in the mail. So, yeah, I'm not paying for it. They'll go back in the mail. Anyway, so there's that fun. We had a couple airplane cards. Really, I think only thing that's going out is airplane cards. Maybe one or two other items, which is weird. It's weird eBay yesterday. Because I'll go some days with 0 airplane cards, and like today's, that makes up probably 90% of my orders, which when you have 7 orders, that's not much, and I can't math that. So anyway, yeah, let me know how your end and relist or end and sell similar have gone. So we got that airplane. We got the large letter greetings. That was missing for probably a couple years, and when I reorganized the box, I found it, and it wasn't listed. So made $7 off a. Boy, I could just imagine if I I can't even say re-inventory because I've never done an inventory. If I inventoried stuff, how many missing items I would find, but I'm not going to do it. Not going to do it. That would take so much time. What do we got? Although I should take the time to inventory because listing doesn't seem to help the cause. I listed a lot recently too. The 100 auctions have no bidders, lots of watchers. In fact, 2 cards shot up to 5 watchers the day I listed them. So it'll be interesting to see how they do, and both I have them comped right where previous solds have sold for. So I don't know if those previous solds were buy it now prices. I don't know. But who knows? Maybe they won't even sell. People watching them. I don't know anymore. I don't know anything anymore. Anybody know anything? I don't. I know Bat Boy's alive. Again, thumbnail. I just, Florida Man. I'm sure y'all know Florida Man. But, ooh, that don't look good. Wow, $18 for this, and it's still jacked up on top. Members, I will have I'll do the what sold for the week, what my bolos are, after this 20-minute video. Yeah. That must be a good shopping mall. Levittown was like a pre-planned community. So maybe that's why. Although I thought it was Levittown, New Jersey, or Levittown, Pennsylvania. I don't know. Unless there were several. Now I gotta check. Okay. Several large communities. Levittown, built by Levitt. So yeah, there are several Levittowns. There you go. Learned something new. Another airplane card. And then those 3. Nice order. Do a quick refresh and nothing else. I'm going to send out some offers, but you all don't need to see that. So hopefully your day's better. Hopefully your sales are much gooder. And hopefully we see you tomorrow, but I don't know. So anyway, hope you have a great day. Members, videos will be coming out very shortly.